Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network, previously known as Linkshare, is one of the most reputable affiliate networks worldwide. It provides a platform where advertisers and publishers can connect and mutually benefit. Advertisers get to increase their sales and brand visibility, while publishers earn commissions by promoting products. It's part of Rakuten Inc., a Japanese e-commerce and online retailing company. With a global reach, it's a popular choice for both small businesses and large enterprises. Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network offers numerous features. These include a vast array of affiliate programs to choose from, a user-friendly interface, and robust reporting tools for tracking performance. The network also offers deep linking options, allowing affiliates to direct their audience to specific pages on an advertiser's site, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Moreover, Rakuten provides excellent customer service and regular training webinars to help users make the most of the platform. Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network operates on a cost-per-action model. This means advertisers only pay when a specific action, such as a sale or a lead, is completed. The cost per action varies depending on the product and the specific affiliate program. For publishers, joining the network and promoting products is free. However, they must meet certain requirements, such as having a high-quality website and driving a significant amount of traffic. Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network is ideal for businesses looking to increase their online sales and brand visibility. It's also suitable for bloggers, influencers, or website owners who want to monetize their content or traffic. With its diverse range of affiliate programs spanning various industries, it's suitable for a wide range of niches. Moreover, due to its global reach, it's great for businesses targeting international markets. Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network offers several advantages. Its reputation for reliability and quality is a major plus. The network has a vast selection of affiliate programs, allowing publishers to find the perfect match for their audience. It also provides comprehensive analytics, enabling users to optimize their campaigns effectively. Lastly, Rakuten's excellent customer service ensures that any issues or queries are resolved quickly. Like any platform, Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network has its limitations. Some users find the platform's interface less intuitive compared to its competitors. Also, the network's strict approval process may deter smaller publishers or those new to affiliate marketing. Moreover, payments are made on a monthly basis, which may not suit affiliates who prefer more frequent payouts. Lastly, the network's communication with affiliates could be improved. Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network is a reliable and reputable platform that offers diverse affiliate programs and robust analytics. It's ideal for businesses wanting to increase sales and brand visibility, and for publishers looking to monetize their traffic. While it has some limitations, such as a less intuitive interface and strict approval process, its benefits largely outweigh these drawbacks. To conclude, Rakuten Advertising Affiliate Network is a worthwhile consideration for both advertisers and publishers. Its vast selection of affiliate programs, robust analytics, and excellent customer service make it a strong contender in the world of affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this.